Hello students, how are you? I'm pretty sure you must be all waiting for getting back to the schools. We all miss you too. And we are hoping to see you soon at SNV campus. Today on this special occasion of Children's Day, I want all children to wish a very happy Children's Day. Being a children is a God gift, and you all are fortunate enough to have a beautiful life, and we all hope that you grow up through the childhood with lot of fun, with lot of determination, with lot of discipline, with lot of good marks, and make your career after getting out of the SNV. So happy Children's Day one more time. Thank you.
Dear children, on this special day, wishing you all very happy Children's Day. Childhood is the period where you can assimilate maximum, learn good things, and be a good human being. God bless you all.
Hello students, I hope you enjoyed the song. We have not met this year, it's been very long. Assembly area, classrooms and playgrounds are left forlorn. I know you too don't like attending the classes alone. Everything about you is what we miss. This long vacation is no longer a bliss. To play with your friends is what you all wish. A little patience and we will overcome this. Teachers have few words for you today about how we miss you every day. So happy Children's Day. We love you all. Let's not keep things sad and grey.
Hello everyone. On this special day, I would like to wish you all from core of my heart. Have faith and believe in yourself. Never give up. You know, you are being remembered for your uniqueness. I strongly believe you are the flower from heaven. Spread the fragrance and ensure that you will make an effort to make this world a happy, safe, and virus-free, enjoyable place for everyone.
Every child is special in every way, so are you. You are the reason of all our smiles and happiness too.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे होते हैं, बच्चे मन के सच्चे होते हैं। यह उन दिनों की बात है जब हम पाठशाला में मिलते थे।
चलो फिर से मुस्कुराने की वजह ढूंढे, चलो फिर से मुस्कुराने की वजह ढूंढे। जिंदगी तुम हमें ढूंढो, हम हमारी पाठशाला के मित्रों को ढूंढते हैं।
When you open a book, you find people, places of every kind. On opening my Zoom link, I find you all beautiful children with great smile.
This is the biology of our brain. Pulses felt through veins, spaces filled with love so true, cranium filled with thoughts of you.
East or west, math is the best. Nothing matters when math is better. You are the future when SNV is the initiator.
Explorer and learner, you all are so dear. You are the reason for my being here.
You are the memory in my hard disk. I wait for a day where we can laugh in the classroom without risk. Without my students, I have no operating system. I hope I can reboot myself once you all come.
My adorable children, you make me happy. You never know, because of you, my class becomes peppy.
Without you all, I face is an empty classroom. Even though we meet every day on Zoom, it looks like you are in a box of glass. The day will come, we will meet in the class. I can't reach through the glass wall to pat your back. Hold on, soon everything will be on track.
अहो आसी क्षण नाते जे गहन गन जाय अंधारा वहे आज्ञान निधारा शिक्षण नो दीप प्रगटाओ.
Live and shine like a jolly star. Every day without you is like a life without a candy bar.
2020 has been jinxed. How I wish to see things fixed. Our classrooms are empty and so is our school. We are missing our children, but we must follow the rules.
You all are very special kids, and I want you to know, although 1 year was cut short, I am so proud how you did grow.
श्री नारायण विद्यालय की बगिया के फूल हो तुम. जब विद्यालय में होते हो तो सबको हंसाते रिझाते व खिझाते हो तुम. विद्यालय न आकर चारों ओर खामोशी फैलाते हो तुम. वो सुबह का नाश्ता, वो दोपहर का खाना, साथ ही खेल की कक्षा में मित्रों से झगड़ जाना, इसको अब बहुत याद करते हो तुम. वो टीचर का कक्षा में आकर पढ़ाना, कभी हंसना कभी हंसाना, कार्य पूरा न होने पर डांट पड़ते ही मुस्कुराना, बहुत याद करते हो तुम.
नन्हा सा प्यारा सा यह बचपन, जीवन का एक टुकड़ा बचपन, नटखट नादानी का बचपन, विद्या में जो डूबा तन मन, खेल कूद में गुजरा बचपन, याद दिलाता है प्रतिक्षण, रंग रंगीली दुनिया में बीता है सुंदर सा बचपन.
Gravity and teachers are what keeps you down. Without us, you will float around. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Poems and stories are what we learn. Lovely bonding is what we earn. Missing you all in the classroom. Your absence in the school makes me gloom.
As the forests are barren without its flora and fauna, the flora of SNV has become barren due to Corona. Your comeback will bring life in SNV again, as a rainbow gives happiness in the rain.
Addition of commotion, subtraction of depression, multiplication of joy, division of sorrow, all these signs are meaningful when my classroom will be full.
Stars add brightness to the night. SNV makes your life shine bright.
Learning natural phenomena and proving that the earth is spherical, you find all these studies impractical. They teach us how to live and adjust. You will come to know once you trust.
Lengthy discussions on the general topics increase your curiosity. Raising hands to express yourself reflects your capacity. Never thought I will experience these circumstances. Students, I miss your love, affection and acceptance.
On the eve of this Children's Day, I can't wait to say that I wish to see you back in the classroom this very day.
The concept of trigonometry and geometry may give you fright, but when you understand them, your future will become bright.
You are the flowers, birds and bees, blooming, chirping and buzzing has come to cease. Without this, the garden does not look alive. With your presence, now everything can revive.
SNVના બાગના આ રંગબેરંગી ફૂલો જેની સુવાસ અને રંગોથી આ બાગ છે શોભતો. કોરોનાના કારણે આ ફૂલો છે મુરઝાયા, પણ હાર ન માની એમણે પોતાની રાહ પર ચાલ્યા. આમ તો છે આ બાળકો, પણ આજ છે આપણું ઉજ્જવળ ભવિષ્ય.
નાનપણની છે વાત નિરાલી, નાનપણની છે છાપ નિરાલી. એવું કરી દો બધાનું બાળપણ, રોજ હોળી ને રોજ દિવાળી.
All SNVites enter with a vision. They are being encouraged to complete their mission. Our tiny blooms are just away for a while. We'll be back soon with an awesome smile.
Hi everyone. Radio waves are invisible electromagnetic waves which we use as a signal for online classes. Whatever you all have learnt should not go invisible when you come back for your offline classes. Hope you all remember everything. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
We are in time of emergency, attending classes from places of residency. We brainstorm about solvency because you want to protect yourself from corporate fraudulency. Personal touch is current efficiency. Through online, we assure you efficiency.
We give you molecules, compound, reaction as imbalance, but you have applied your logic, effort and make it balance.
Chemistry for you is mystery, but with your efforts and learning will make it history. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
It's hard to see the empty school, our eyes gaze looking at the lifeless school. Whose school is this? We think we know. The kids are quite happy though. Full of joy like a vivid rainbow, we watch them laugh, we cry hello.
Full of joy like a vivid rainbow, we watch them laugh, we cry hello. Thinking of their peppy classroom talks, we have sweet memories and precious talks.
No fun, no sound of bell. We hope you all are doing well.
In finding LCM and HCF, no need to hurry. Life is tough, no need to worry. An angle is made on intersecting two rays. I want my student to go long way. Sorting the things in data handling is fun. God bless you. I wish you all shine like a sun.
Be wild, be a child. Jump, play and take a ride. Smile wide, keep your phone aside. Give the kids your precious time. Give them wings, let them soar. As little, they won't be for very long. Have fun, enjoy their day, let them have it their way.
A physical change changes how things look, like tearing the pages in a book, or freezing the liquid from water to ice, or painting the house to make it look nice.
फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, पंछी के जैसे चहकते रहो, सूरज की भांति चमकते रहो, तितली के जैसे मचलते रहो, माता पिता का आदर करो, सुंदर भावों को मन में भरो, ये है हमारी शुभकामना, ये बचपन हंसता रहे, मुस्कुराता रहे, बाल दिवस की शुभकामना.
Looking at your lovely faces on Zoom, we enjoy the lively classroom. Watching you interact at your best makes our heart feel impressed. Sometimes though connection pulls us away, there's something that I now want to say. Children, never lose hope in life, even if failure takes you on a drive.
Coming to school has become boring and blue. Classrooms have become the dullest of hues. Waiting for your cheerful smiles, hoping to meet you all in a short while.
Lockdown is a difficult time, so I thought of writing a rhyme. The students will come to the school, we will feel really cool.
Each one of you is our precious jewel, wishing you happiness, our hearts swell.
You are the sparkling stars of SNV school. You make the ambience beautiful.
Classroom is a mistake-making, laughter-sharing sort of place. We miss each of your face.
Remember, you have a long way to go. We love you and will help you to glow. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. As we know, you are the best version of your own.
Literature is not a creature, as it is second to your nature. No restrictions of thought and imagination. You have the chance to put forth the best creation.
You are off to great places. Today is your day. Your goal is awaiting, so get on your way.
I miss your voices, your questions and silly stories. Frankly, I hope to see your hidden glories.
Students are assets, teachers are resources. Sadly, no one could have prevented natural forces. School is an organization which shapes an entrepreneur. This hard time shall be another mountain we conquer.
You find learning literature so dreary, but believe me, it will take you to glory. Antonio, Shylock, Prospero and Gonzalo. Each character teaches some lesson to follow. Shakespeare, Keats, Shelley and Wordsworth. Learning language and literature for you is worth. Happy Children's Day.
माँ की कहानी थी, परियों का फसाना था, बारिश में कागज की नाव थी, बचपन का हर मौसम सुहाना था। आज का दिन है प्यारे बच्चों का, कोमल मन और सच्ची कलियों का। चाचा नेहरू के ही प्यारे बच्चे, फूलों की तरह महकते रहो, फूलों की तरह महकते रहो। माता पिताजी का आदर करो, सुंदर भाव से अपने मन को भरो, यह है हमारी शुभकामना।
Dear children, our words will never be enough to express our feelings for you. I know you miss this place a lot, but this Children's Day I would like to tell you that live every moment of your life at its fullest. Rise and chase your dreams and you will succeed. The most recent unprecedented victory in one part of the globe shows us that everything is possible in this world. And I quote the achiever herself, "Dream with ambition, lead with conviction, and see yourselves in a way that others may not. And do know that we will applaud every step of your way." My best wishes and blessings to all my dear children. We love you all and happy Children's Day to all of you.
To all our dearest children, wishing you all happy Children's Day. It is said that children are the best creation of God. You spread joy and happiness everywhere. Your smile makes others smile. You are the future of the country. May your dreams come true. When you dream, dream big.
Your dreams make way a better future. Your future is in your hand.
You make the impossible possible. Happy Children's Day!
सौ बात की एक बात है, बचपन सच्चा साथ है। सौ बात की एक बात है, बचपन सच्चा साथ है। भूली जाती नहीं, फिर आती नहीं, भूली जाती नहीं, फिर आती नहीं, बचपन सच्चा साथ है। Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you.
Hello children. I was musing about the fact that childhood is such a precious gift that one can have in their lives. And this is a moment for each one of you to enjoy. You have no qualms, you have no anxieties about growing up. It is just growing up with loads of learning, loads of fun, loads of happiness. And I can only wish for you all that you live each day as a child, you live each day to aspire, you live each day to dream big, and you start working towards achieving your dreams. Childhood is definitely a gift which I guess once you grow up you're going to miss. So do enjoy each day, and wishing you all from the bottom of my heart a very happy Children's Day. God bless you all, and I love you all, my children. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day.